Hey everyone, get ready to level up your videos with a fantastic free AI tool that can transform your simple clips into stunning styles like cartoon, anime, pixelated, and more. This tool, in my opinion, is a game changer and totally free right now. Introducing Morph Studio. Head over to their website to see amazing examples of what it can do. In the Explore section, you'll find user-generated templates in styles like anime, luxury, pixel, cartoon, and cyberpunk. This AI tool supports all these styles and more. Getting started is easy. Just click the Get Started button on the website and sign up with your Gmail account. Once you're in, you'll see a simple interface. If you're new to the platform, click Create New. Give your project a name. I'll call mine Project 1, and choose an aspect ratio from options like 16:9, 4:3, or 1:1. I'm going with 16:9 and hitting Create. The interface is super user-friendly. You'll find different models by clicking the icon: text to video, image to video, video to video, video lip syncing, and image to video stable diffusion model 1.1. For today, we're focusing on the video to video model. Choose the video to video model and pick a style like anime, 3D, clay, pixart, realistic, fantasy, ink, cyberpunk, or oil painting. Set the duration up to 10 seconds and adjust the style strength. Lower values mean less stylized, and higher values mean more stylized. I'll stick with the default 0.5. Upload your video by clicking the icon. Then choose your style, I'll go with anime, and click the star icon to generate the video. The job will queue and you can check back once it's ready. After it's generated, you can regenerate, transform the style, or use the lip syncing feature. To download, click the three dots, and you can download video without any watermark. Here's the final video, and it's impressively consistent. Even the tricky hand movements are spot on. Now let's test the lip syncing feature. To make it clearer, I have already converted another video to anime style. Now click the lip button here to select Video to Video Lip Syncing 1.0 automatically. Then upload your voiceover and hit the lip sync button. Let Morph Studio work its magic, and after a few seconds, you'll see the lip synced video.
Hey everyone, if you are watching this video, then don't forget to subscribe to Growth Hacks and AI YouTube channel for future AI updates.
The results are fantastic, outshining other AI tools like Domo AI and LensGo AI. You can also test its other features in the same way, such as text to video, image to video, and more. Remember, Morph Studio is free for now, but this might change, so take advantage while you can. The link is in the description below. Check it out, and see you in the next video.